third graders, for today's writing lesson, we are going to be looking at supporting your opinion with reasons. And we are going to be reading this text to show some good examples. After we read the example text, then you are going to work on this page in your packet called Supporting Your Opinion with Reasons and Examples. So here is the person's opinion. The school cafeteria needs to serve Chipotle for lunch. The reasons are given. Reason number 1, Chipotle has healthy options that will give teachers and students energy. And then you are going to give examples of that. Reason number 2, our cafeteria needs more variety. And then you are going to think of some examples for that reason. Reason number 3, having Chipotle as an option will make lunches easier for parents. And then you're going to give some examples for that reason. There is a number 5 spot if you would like to make up another one that goes with the above reasons and give examples. You can do that. If you'd like to skip the box the box that says number 5, you can do that too. Last, after you've done that page that we just talked about as a practice, then you're going to think about your opinion writing that you are going to do. You chose an opinion that you have to write about. And so now you're going to start to brainstorm supporting your opinion with reasons and examples. Right here, you're going to pick the opinion that you decided that you are going to write about. If you don't remember what that is, look back in your packet and find the opinion that you wrote down and chose to write about. Then you're going to give a reason to support your opinion and write examples. You're going to give a second reason to support your opinion and give examples. And a third reason to support your opinion and give examples. If you would like to do an additional one for number 5, you may do that, or you may skip the number 5 box if you would like. As we read this text called I Need a Later Bedtime, look for the reasons and examples that this person gives to support their opinion. Their opinion is that they need a later bedtime. Look for examples and reasons. Do you ever feel like you get home from school, do your homework, eat your dinner, and all of a sudden it's time to start your bedtime routine? There's no time after a long school day to have a little relaxation time, to do the things that you really enjoy doing. Without a doubt, I need a later bedtime. The main reason, here we go, look for reasons and examples. The main reason I feel that I should have a later bedtime is I'd like more me time. I work long hours at school on subjects like reading, math, and writing. When I walk in the door after school, the first thing I have to do is start my homework. Sometimes it feels like I work for hours getting my assignments done. Then it's time for dinner with the family. Next, it's time to start getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth, get on my pajamas, read a chapter of my book, and then Mom says, lights out. There isn't one part of my day before bedtime where I can do some of the things that help me relax. If I had a later bedtime, I could squeeze in some of the things I enjoy. For example, building things with my Legos, drawing, or riding my bike. Another reason I feel like I should have a later bedtime is I'm a pretty good kid. Good kids should get to stay up a little later. I always listen when you ask me to do things like get the mail, put my shoes away, or set the table. Also, I do all my chores each week without you having to remind me. Last, when you ask me to do things, I do not argue with you, and I always do it the first time I'm asked. So, because of my responsible behavior, you can trust me to be able to stay up a little later than usual. One of my last reasons for feeling like I deserve to have a later bedtime is I'm a very good student. Currently, I have straight A's in all my classes at school. I help my teacher with sharpening pencils, tidying the classroom, and peer tutoring. In addition, I have been nominated Student of the Month twice already this year. Great students should be rewarded with a little extra time to themselves before bed. A later bedtime would be a perfect reward. Clearly, you can see from the above reasons that I indeed should have a later bedtime. It would give me the time I need to sit down, put my feet up, and do the things that make me happy. Please allow me to stay up later, starting tonight. So in that example text about a later bedtime, you should have noticed some reasons and examples why that person thinks they should get to stay up later at night. You are going to finish this sheet with the reasons given for Chipotle. You are going to complete the example part. And then you're also going to finish this page in your packet focusing on your opinion. This is the one that you chose to write your paper about that will be graded when we are finished with this packet. When you finish this page, save your packet in your writer's folder.